Um, you know, this stuff ain't for everyone, I understand it, but I give credit where credit's due. If you're trying to do a YouTube hero or race chain, probably ain't for you. Or I understand throw the gadgets away, this and that, which I really damn don't. I think it's fucking ignorant, but anything I can do to speed things up or take wear and tear off of my joints, my fingers, my hands and wrists, I'm gonna do it. And those of you that don't, well, you probably ain't abused your body like I have over the years, but this is actually the name brand Stihl 2-in-1 file. It does your drags or breakers, whatever you want to call it, and your cutter at the same time. It works amazing. It's simple to use. You can lock your chain brake or don't, just line it up with the dang bar, give it a foul, and I'm telling you, it gets that chain cutting real nice. Can you get it sharper just by using a straight file, or 2 or 3 different sized files, or a square file? You can. I know that. I can file just as good as the next person. I can square file, I can hex a file, round file, it don't matter. I've done it all. I typically grind, especially if we're out somewhere where it's dirty. It just lasts a lot longer. It is what it is. Little Farmer Tech 200T. I didn't even check to see if it would run. It was real smart on my part. So far, I've not really had any problems out of this. I thought the bar stud had come loose, but it hadn't. These little chains, that's kind of the deal, getting the file just in and locked into place a lot of times. And no, this is not going to get the gullet. It's going to leave a gullet, but unless you're trying to shave time off of a cut, and I'm talking tenths of a second, it really damn don't matter. A lot of times you have better control out of the chain leaving the gullet in it. Drag on that one was real high, and this is a lot of chain for this saw. I'm hoping, I don't even know if I've ever filed it, to be honest with you. And we're almost back around. I started where there was 2 cutters in a row, same length, and we're outside. That's actually a Stihl stump vise. I've just got it drove down into the log on my log stand, or my test log stand. It's doing real nice. That chain wasn't real bad. I'd rocked it. There we are. We're back to where we started. Maybe you guys can see. It's an Oregon chain too. It's a Versa cut, full chisel, 18-inch low pro. Again, a lot of chain for this little saw. I'll do the other side off camera just for sake of length of video time, but these things are kind of expensive. But then again, if you compare it to anything else today, it's not really that expensive. Pick one up and give it a try. I'll guarantee you like the outcome of it.